How to create an account on Jumptask. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily sign up for a new account in Jumptask. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then go ahead and click on the search bar. Simply search for Jumptask, hit enter, and you'll find the link jumptask.io. Go ahead and press on the link and you'll just get into their landing page. And at the top right corner, you'll find the sign in button. All you have to do is just press on it and a new tab will open where you have an option to log in here. So you can either log in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. But if it's your first time, you can click on the sign up button to sign up for your account. Now, in order to sign up, it's the same process. You can either use your Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID to connect. You could also connect your external wallets to your Jumptask account as well. For this, I will be just go ahead and I'll just continue with Google account. Select your Google account that you want to log in with, and then scroll down, click on continue, and you should be able to create an account without any problem. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.